At Nature's One, we care about the health and nutritional well-being of the children whose parents purchase our products. And we also care about the health and nutritional well-being of children all around the world, just like many of you do as well. We are especially humbled by our support of New Day Foster Home, located on the outskirts of a major city in China. Founded in 2000, New Day provides a loving home for medical refugee infants and children, often abandoned at birth because they need life-saving surgeries. New Day works to provide these surgeries and then loving care while recovering. In addition to this work, New Day also serves to provide formula to other regional orphanages that may be experiencing funding shortages and unable to locate quality baby formula. New Day believes the benefit of using our organic formula, free of chemicals and toxins, is one of their secrets for successfully helping these beautiful children recover and find their smiles again. Nature's One helps meet this need by donating our organic formulas and through financial contributions. Many of our customers join us in this effort and have contributed thousands of dollars to help New Day continue its wonderful work. Thank you for showing your love for your own family by helping others in critical need wherever needed.